Hi friends, this is Karthikeya. Welcome to my channel, Amazers. In the previous video, we learned about space. Now, I'm going to explain about Earth. I'm going to explain about Arctic region, which we are not much aware of it. It is the northernmost part of the Earth. So, let's start our video. Robert Peary was the first person to step on the Arctic. It is the first step for development in Arctic. It changed the future for many industries because minerals like iron, copper, nickel and diamond is also available there. The temperature in the Arctic is between -24 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. There is no vegetation in this region except shrubs and herbs. This land is totally covered by permafrost. Permafrost means the soil becomes hard and covered by ice entire year. The people living here will eat raw flesh from animals like seals. They store their food in the soil. Do you know the interesting fact that Arctic region people will also buy refrigerators to save food from extreme coldness? The people living in Arctic region are called Inuits or Eskimos. Hunting is their main profession. Most of the Eskimos live in a dome-shaped snow house called igloos. There are only two seasons in this place, summer and winter. In summer, the sun does not set at all. Sun will be always above the horizon. As the time passes, the sun begins to set on December. From December to June, the sun will not rise at all. These are the coldest months in the year. All Eskimos will move to another place and come back on June. Arctic region is somewhat less colder when compared to Antarctica because Antarctica is totally covered by oceans, but Arctic is somewhat covered by land masses like Greenland, Russia, etc. The animals living in the Arctic region are reindeer, polar bear, walrus, seal, ox, etc. Among these, the polar bear is called as king of the polar region. The animals are made up of thick fur to protect themselves from extreme cold. The transportation in Arctic is not easy at all. It's very difficult. Eskimos use special shaped boats called kayak for hunting. These Eskimos are living in Greenland, Alaska, and parts of Russia and Europe. Many scientists are still studying about this Arctic. Arctic was formed some million years ago when entire Earth is covered by ice, or we will simply call it as Ice Age. After the Ice Age, the ice in all regions began to melt except in polar region because we know that Earth is tilted in its axis. Due to this reason, polar regions does not get efficient sunlight and heat from the sun. So the ice didn't melt. The vegetation in Arctic is called tundra vegetation. Nowadays, due to increase in global warming, the ice in Arctic region began to melt and rising the sea level, which causes floods on Earth. Do you know approximately 750 crore tons ice has been melted due to the pollution created by us? So it's not over. Let's save our Earth from destruction and protect Mother Earth. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further notification. We will meet soon with another amazing video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe.